Once upon a time, in the castle, there was a unit and enormous horse, with example with another's than remembers on most precious in the world. In the world, its notability shines with stories inherit than wonderful wings. There is ancestry on one day were devoted to the minoling because they don't like this situation. Because they came agreed their territory, the, the family have bears in a song how was born with problems and behind able to fly. Songs are there starting trying to fly but cold notice very well. And little by he behind to fraud to fly perfect. On a day they'll make time him to fly there perfectionally, and here he and only started to take turn and fly sign. A little bit he's developing and he what green go to cube and who was like his girlfriend living in a far away place and children's they believed have ever in this. Thank you.